Mercedes Benz Perfumes, the Eau de Toilette Intense for men.
Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Hi, how are you? How you doing? So this is Max & Sons Parfum again, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by smashing the bell or by clicking that red button on your right. Okay, then subscribe. Okay, so we are going to unbox the Mercedes Benz Intense 120 ml by Mercedes Benz. So you can see this is a black box. This is Mercedes Benz in here. Alright, Mercedes Benz. Okay, then we have here the logo of the Mercedes Benz, and this is the bottom. Okay, bottom of the box. Right now we are going to unbox it. We will remove the plastic cover. Okay, and Mercedes Benz Intense is a woody spicy fragrance for men. Okay, Mercedes Benz Intense was launched in 2013. Top notes are violet leaf, lemon, Calabrian, bergamot, and Italian mandarin. The middle notes are violet, bourbon pepper, nutmeg, and galbanum. Base notes are bourbon, vetiver, cedar, cetalox, and patchouli. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see. We'll open it. We'll remove the plastic wrappings like this. Okay. Alright. The plastic in here, so you can see it's very exquisite box. Okay, let's open it from this one. Oh, it's pure black. Right. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Right. So let's see. Okay, look at the bottle. Alright. Oh my goodness. Look at the bottle. It's really good. It's really stunning. So you can see there's engraving here. The bottom of the bottle. This it has a UV toilet here. This is a sticker, and this is the marking, Mercedes Benz Intense. Alright, so apart from that, you cannot see anything, just this one, the markings in here, like the logo of the Mercedes Benz. It has a batch number here, as you can see. Okay, this was engraved. And this is Mercedes Benz Intense. Alright, so as you can see, this is Oh, this is not a sticker. Oh, this was engraved also, like that. Okay, so let's see the cup. Okay, so you can see. Okay, this is how it looks like, the cups. Okay, alright. Then let's see how it smells like. Okay, this is how it looks like. Alright, so let's see how it smells like. Oh wow, it smells really good. It smells like they said that this smell is like they compare this one to the how do you say it, the Dior Fahrenheit. Okay, the smell is like similar with the Dior Fahrenheit actually. So if you smelled already the Dior Fahrenheit, maybe you should try to consider buying this Mercedes Benz Intense at Max & Sons Parfum. Okay, so you can see it's really nice. The bottle is really nice, exquisite. So you can see it, you cannot say anything bad about this one. It's really good. I mean, it's like it's just like you hit a jackpot from buying this one. It's really good. The black color makes the entire bottle very unique. And also the color of the box, that is really nice, as you can see. So it's really nice. So if you want to buy this one, this is available at Max & Sons Parfum. Okay, look at this message guys. Okay, that's it for today. And before we end, don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel, okay, by hitting that red button right on your right corner of the screen, okay, and please hit that bell so you don't miss any of my content uploaded like once and twice every week. Okay, and you can also comment what are the perfume that you want to unbox. I'll let you see, and I'll buy it for you and I'll unbox it for you. Okay, so this is Mercedes Benz Intense once again. Okay, let's bring back to the bottle, to the box, I should say. Like that. Okay. Ooh. Alright. Okay. That's all for now. Have a good one, guys. See ya.
If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max & Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.